Uwi kami sa Calapan para mag-camping!
Camping kami, pero pagtapos ng camping, pupunta tayo Mindoro!
Hindi na ako nakapag-intro kanina habang nasa bahay kami dahil as usual, biglaan naman po ang mga pangyayari. Biglaang kulay po ng drawing ito. Para 30 minutes away na lang kami sa Batangas Pier. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog. So, yun lang. Let's go! Let's go! So, habang inaantay natin sila makapagbayad kasi nakapagbayad na tayo ng arastre, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng konting kaalaman. Usually, pagkat sinasabi kong Mindoro, akala ng mga taga Manila, Mindanao. Iba po yun. Ito pong Mindoro, dito lang po ito sa may Batangas. So, tawid dagat lang po siya. So, kami po ay kabilang sa Region 4B. Yan. Kaalaman lang yan, kaalaman. So, ngayon, sasakay na kami ng row-row. Row your boat.
Uuwi ka sa Mindoro.
Waiting game muna kami dito sa pila dahil alas 3 pa yung sakay namin sa Fastcat at magpipicture-picture daw kami. Pakilala muna kayo mga kabibi natin. Oh, kabibi Carla. Kabibi Vanya. Kabibi Jeff and Anjo. Kabibi Mike. Kabibi Patrick. Kabibi Sorry.
Kabibi 1, Kabibi 2, Kabibi 3.
Si Kabibi Shervin ay kumukuha pa ng certificate ng aso. Yun nga pala, kapag babiyahe kayo dito na may mga dala kayong mga pets, ganyan, kayo po ay kailangan ng bakuna.
Kukunan natin ito ng certificate.
Kayo.
Ito yung
Animal.
special dog.
Hello mga Mexico! Ay, talaga naman. Pasilip-silip pa yan. Zaya na yan. Say hi, vlog!
Okay.
Ya corté 2 limones, azúcar, ya me compré.
It's 6:51. Ito na kami sa Calapan. Nakarating lang. So, bababa na kami.
You got a girl you call your own, but she don't care when she's alone. You hear she talks to other guys. You sit at home and wonder why. But if you could just listen now, I'll tell you how to get it all sorted out. Just find her friends.
Oh yeah, dito na tayo sa Mindoro pala. Kailan ba tayo nandito? Kagabi pa, no?
Kanina umaga.
Kahapon.
Dahil kahapon ay...
Alak.
Dahil kahapon ay alak day.
Kailangan nang inumin natin alak ng Puerto Galera.
Yeah. Kasama ang babae ng Puerto Galera.
Kailangan may madampot ako dito pupunta rin ng Manila.
Yeah.
You got a job, don't like the boss. He makes you turn, he makes you toss. Your friends asleep, but you're still up. He makes you feel his coffee up.
Hey. Welcome to Puerto G.
Listen now, I'll tell you how to get it all sorted out. He likes it hot, so get him some. But you didn't mean to trip and spill it all. Too bad, tell me get it now. You gotta be bad, tell me get it now, good now. Even when you fall apart, you gotta feel it in your heart, yeah. You gotta
kayo dun sa pinunta namin dun sa may bago mag-Puerto Galera. Paano ito? Bulabot. Bulabot Beach.
Puntahan natin mamaya yung sinasabi nilang river meets the sea. Ready Excited much? So, pitching na natin. Ngayon mo kami labanan ng ulan. Talaga. Ngayon ka umulan. Huwag naman. Ay, hindi naman. Joke lang po. Ano lang po, okay lang po kami. So, dito yung sinasabi nila na river meets the sea. Mamaya pupuntahan natin yan. But for now, pitching!
She bring me good love when I want it. She bring me good love when I need it. She bring me good love when I want it. She bring me good love when I need it. She bring me good love when I feel good. She bring me good love when I feel good. She bring me good love when I want it.
Are you excited? Yes. Say yes! Wow! Are you excited? Ganda!
She bring me good love when I want it. She bring me good love when I need it. She bring me good love when I want it. She bring me good love when I need it. She bring me good love when I feel good. She bring me good love when I feel good. She bring me good love when I want it.
Ay, hello po. Good afternoon. Baka may maituturo po kayo sa mga viewers natin.
Paano maging bombero?
Ang ating lunch na pa-dinner na. Tayong hipon, sinigenggeng, at tiempo. Ngayon mo kami labanan ng ulan. Ngayon ka umulan. Nabagyo na tayo, boss.
Boss, ito second time namin bagyo pero wala kami pakialam kahit bagyuhin kami. Marami kaming gamit, boss. Hindi kami mababasa, boss. Ito nagkasayip sa amin. Kailangan nyo ng canopy tent. Canopy, pag tent kayo, pag maulan, kailangan nyo ng canopy. So, yun talaga bibilihin nyo.
Ayusin mo muna ito, tabingin.
Hindi tabingi yan.
Nabasa.
Hindi daw kami mababasa. Tignan mo. Marami kaming gamit, di kami mababasa. Tignan mo, di talaga ako nabasa eh.
Oo nga, be.
Ano?
Bakit nga may tulo dito?
Saan?
Ito, oh.
Bintana yan, oh. Bintana yan. Hindi, mamaya wala kami. Ngayon lang yun, mamaya wala na.
Kasi mamaya wala nang ulan. Ikaw ang malakas manalangin.
Sino ang unang bumate? Ayun ka umulan.
Joke lang eh. Beb! Beb! Tumutulo na sa loob!
Maraming salamat, Lord, sa trip. At nagkakaroon kami ng opportunity na maging matalino ngayong tag-ulan. Naging creative kami.
Ito na po yung aming after rain. After sobrang lakas ng ulan kahapon. Good morning. Medyo gloomy pa yung weather. Pinasok na namin sa loob ng kubo yung mga tent. Dahil ang lakas ng ulan. So supposedly may sunrise dapat, pero dahil sobrang lakas ng ulan, wala talaga. Kagulo, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Sana lang ay matuyo ang ating mga sinampay at ang ating mga gamit. Kala nyo tapos na, no? Hindi pa, dahil pupunta kaming
Sa Puerto Galera.
sa White Beach.
Sa naman tayo mag-trip.
White Beach naman, medyo hindi naman camping. Medyo relaxing naman yung trip natin.
More upo na lang doon.
More upo, more inom, ganon.
Yan.
Kaya, samahan niyo pa rin kami. Let's go!
Kahapon, nasa Bulabog kami.
Bulabod.
Bulabog. Ngayon naman, nasa Puerto Galera kami, White Beach. Let's go!
Absent po ako, may sakit po ako. Apo, tapos nilagyan ni Karen ng date, no? Nilagyan na, boss, ito mo yung vlog namin. Nung ano yun eh, nung nakalibaw.
Supposedly, check out dapat kami kanina. Kaya lang, ito na nga, biglaan ulit na nagkaroon ng mga ganap. Kaya, bukas na lang ulit kami uuwi. Promise na talaga yan. Hindi nyo naman sinabi para sinolo natin ang Puerto Galera. Grabe, sinolo natin ang Puerto. Wala talagang katao-tao mga sis. Wala talaga. Ako po ay nagpapablog tuloy. Nagpapabraid kay ate.
Ate Lara po.
Ate Lara, support local. Tingnan natin kung mabubudol niya si Bossing. Alin mo yan? Display. Alikabukin lang yan sa bahay. Time check! 1:45. Punta naman kami ngayon sa Island hopping. Punta kami sa Heart Beach, sa Bayanan Beach. Titingnan natin. Kaya samahan nyo kami. Let's go! Yan, nandito kami ngayon sa Menolo Port para dito kami sasakay ng bangka. Ito yung kanilang mga Kenesu. Kailangan nyo mag-register dito bago kayo sumakay para may registration. So, itong island hopping namin ay 6'9" for 18 packs. Kasama na yung 3 bata. 4 years old pa babae, libre. Si Kuya Romel ang aming tour guide.
Usually po, ang mga nakalagay dito is 4. Ano po? 4 yung mga nakalagay, pero siya po ay 3 lang yung talagang pwedeng puntahan. Kaya po 4 yung nakalagay if ever na yung isang island ay
Hindi pwede
overcrowded or sobrang low tide. At least may choice pa po tayo. Pero usually hindi na rin kasi natin narusunod yan eh. Kasi usually binibigay po namin ay yung mga beach or island na talagang pwede rin mag-snorkeling.
Sige po, yun na lang.
Kasi provided naman po ang inyong gears, may life vest and may snorkel na.
Okay po.
So, unahin po natin ay Bayanan Beach, and then Long Beach, and the last one po ay ang Haligi Beach para if ever na kayo sunod kumain. Makakay po ito. May pupunta rin dito.
Sige po, yan.
So many tests, so many trials. So many miles.
OA.
We never let go of our love. We got the guidance from above, yeah, yeah.
Ang daming nangyayari. Bigla tayong nag-island hopping.
Nanginginig yung ulo ko eh.
Kaya,
Ako yung nahihilo eh.
parang di kita yung nginig kasi nag-gimbal.
Come on.
Next stop, Heart Beach. Heart Beach. Sa Quezon Ave. Next stop natin ay Heart Beach.
Ilang island ba yun?
Ang 3. Yung pangatlong island, yung Haligi, doon tayo kakain. Sa Heart Beach daw ay mas
I
kid-friendly.
got a taste of the real world. I got battered on the North Shore. It gave me comfort when I always knew that. I always knew that you were there for me next door. I lived it hard on the long road. I ran through every single zip code. I get lonely, but I always knew that. I always knew that your heart I could call home. And
Ito na kami sa Heart Beach! Yay! Tingnan niyo naman, sobrang ganda ng buhangin. Lucas, sobrang ganda ng buhangin. Ito ay... Ano, Lucas? Powder. Wala. Ayan na siya.
Could have burst in our way. Whether it all falls down, whether it all falls through, I know that you'll be waiting there for me when I come through. Even if I get knocked down, even if I get pushed through, I know you'll be standing there for me, strong like a statue, like a statue, statue, oh, like a statue, statue, like a statue, statue. Hey, oh, 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 oh. Hey, oh, oh, oh.
Uy!
Nahuli mo pa akong nag-swimming ah.
Oh my gosh! Ang totoong Patrick Star! Patrick Star! Dali ah! Si Patrick Star! Oh my gosh!
Okay, dali mo sa Tingin, mami.
Ano? What the Ay! Takot ako! Wala!
Bye-bye, starfish! Let's go! Hindi na kami nakapunta kanina sa Haligi Beach kasi medyo hindi namin trip yung pwesto at madaming bato. Pero dito kami ngayon sa Maniknik Beach. Ayan siya. Doon sana kami magmemerienda sa Haligi Beach. Pero mas okay na dito sa Maniknik. Mas siswimingan ng mga bagets. So, nandun sila. May pinagkakaguluhan dito. Ano yan? Fresh na fresh.
Fresh talaga. Grabe.
Nakain sana ako kaso ubus na eh. Marami! Mayan!
Ito, dito ko.
Gusto mo ha? Ayan o.
Papatas mo yung ito eh.
Sige, mga 5 po ako niyan.
Ay, ano pa ba?
Baka matusok ako.
Huwag mo lang didiin na ng hanggang.
Matutuso ka talaga.
As in soft.
Try natin tong natawag nilang onigiri. Sea urchin! Alin dyan?
Yung gilid. Ito diba? Yan yung laman dyan.
Gusto nito tumakbo.
Kayo rin yan. Tabang sa iyo ah. Sambok yun ah. Parang iba na yun ah.
May kahayop.
Yan.
Yan.
Parang salmon lang yan.
Ang lasa.
Lasang suka.
Jelly kasi siya.
Oo, tapos, pero yung lasa niya,
Lasang salmon. Sashimi yan. Pero
so kailangan kalamansi. Kailangan siya kalamansi at
siguro pag mas maasim siya, kaya ko siyang kainin.
tapos mo yung suka.
Hindi ko siya kaya na hindi ko isipin na malambot siya. Malambot talaga siya.
Sa bagay,
Pero
gusto mo yung mas matigas.
Oo, gusto ko talaga yung matigas. Dahil gusto naman ni Sarky ng mataba, sa kanya na yan. Huy, tama na yan yung gout mo.
Kaya nga baka
Yehey! Dito na kami ulit sa kanilang port para mag-dinner na and mag-inom na ulit.
Lasing na uli.
Sarap na may trabaho mamaya. Tapos hanggang 6. Gising.
Napapagod ka na agad.
Gusto ko nang i-give up. May trabaho ko.
Matapang ka pala! na kami ngayon. Para naman back to reality. Ganun. So ngayon magpapack up na kami. See you Manila na inabit. Kaalis na kami dito. Masyado na kaming masaya. Kailangan natin umuwi ng Maynila. Diba, boss?
Na tayo. Good, mari lang.
Maybe I'll care another day, but today I'm gonna wash my worries away. Maybe I'll care another day, but today everything is a-okay. I'll find a sidewalk.
Magmamall naman tayo.
Stop pala yung
When the birds talk, they'll say care another day. And today everything is a-okay.
Hello, SM Caloocan! Malakas na palakpakan ng may kasamang hiyawan!
Thank you, TV5 and some celebrities, especially Sam Colosso, for having me in this event.
What's up, you guys? It's me, Jada here, and today I'm back with another video, and I'm gonna be doing a Q&A since this has been highly requested. Basically, I did a poll on Instagram and on Twitter, and this is what you guys requested for, so I'm gonna be taking some questions from Instagram and on Twitter. And so yeah, let's get straight into the video. So for our first question, this one's from NormaGen9434, and she asks, first song that you learned to play on your guitar. Now that was My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion. I know it sounds like the most random choice ever, but it was because, you know, Celine Dion was one of my earliest musical influences, and Titanic is probably one of my favorite movies of all time. Jack and Rose are my OTP, for real. Okay, so for our next question, this is from Avice13. What's your comfort food? Hands down, Tostitos with salsa and Doritos. I'm a happy girl. Mababaw lang talaga kaligayahan ko, guys. And Gisela_27 asks, may time ka ba na papangitan ka sa sarili mo kahit minsan lang? Hashtag ganda niyo po. Well, thank you. Pero syempre naman, I'd say na may mga araw talaga na you don't feel your best or you feel a little bit insecure. Pero syempre, it's all about, you know, not letting your insecurities get in the way of yourself and making sure that it doesn't prevent you from the process of loving yourself. Okay, so this next question is from LEHV_. Ni minsan ba naisip mong sumali ng beauty pageant? Te, hindi na ako mag-i-illusion. Wala talaga akong height. I don't have the genes. Period. But speaking of Miss Universe, Jada.Mazing asks, if you're gonna be the next Miss Universe, what will be your advocacy and how can you relate it to your passion, which is music? Thank you for that wonderful question. Charot lang. But I'd say my advocacy would be cyberbullying, just because it's a very personal topic to me, because I know what it's like to be in that position wherein, you know, you are being cyberbullied, and I want to be able to use my music as a platform or as my voice to be able to speak up on that issue and hopefully prevent it from happening. And I thank you. Pwede na ba, guys? Pwede na ba pang miss you? Charot lang. Okay, so JanCL16 asks, what are you doing now? Are you in school? What is your course when you go to college? So yes, I am in school. I'm homeschooled. I'm in grade 11. I'm a junior in high school, for those who don't know. And the course that I want to take in college is music production. At NormaGen9434 asks again, magkano baon ng anak ng artista nung nasa regular school ka pa? Hehe, hashtag just curious. umabot ako ng mga 100 to 150. Yung 150 yun, nadagdagan na yun sa lagay na yun. Pero yun, okay na yun sa akin, sa totoo lang. Total, meron akong packed lunch when I would go to school, and yun naman talaga, pang recess ko lang naman yung baon ko na nadala. Princess Baiko or Boyko asks, what motivates you in your life or career? I'd say my passion for music is definitely number one. I mean, I wouldn't be in this industry if I didn't want to, and the reason why I'm here is because I just love what I do so much. And siguro, isa sa mga ibang nagmo-motivate sa akin, syempre yung fans ko. You guys are one of the reasons why I do this, and I want to thank you all for supporting me in my music. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait for you guys to hear of what's yet to come in 2019. Nicole, that's a lot of L's, asks, what are your New Year's resolutions? I wanna get better as a singer, a performer, an entertainer, and a musician. Because I feel like every day is like a chance to improve yourself as not just an artist but as a person. And number two, I really want to get fit for 2019. That's one of my goals. Like, fitness is like really important to me, especially, you know, I'm getting older and stuff. And I'd say I want to be able to give more time to the people who I know matter and the people who I know care about me for me, if that makes any sense. Nitong 2018, like, I realized sino yung mga totoong tao talaga, and so I feel like I owe it to them to show my appreciation and my love for them. At Fangirl Docs asks, paano mo hinahandle or ano nararamdaman mo pag nakakabasa ka ng bashing, such as people accusing you of things na di mo naman ginagawa? Well, I think hindi mo rin maiwasan na medyo maapektuhan ka dyan, and I think it's normal and it's valid to feel. And I don't recommend bottling up your emotions. I don't think that's healthy at all, and you have to give yourself time to feel that. Pero ika nga ng nanay ko, something that she's told me is that don't dwell on it and focus on your goal. And as long as you know that you're not doing anything wrong, you know, these people's opinions shouldn't matter because di naman sila nakakakilala sa'yo, and honestly, like, they're just people behind a screen who have nothing better to do with their lives. So I just, you know, like, number one, I focus on my goal, and I give myself a pep talk, and nakikinig lang naman talaga ako sa mga tao na alam ko talagang may malasakit sa akin, and which are my family, my friends, and you guys, of course. Okay, so speaking of bashers, at It's Me Tiffany Zabala asks, message to your haters, we love you, Judith. Well, I love you guys too, but message to my haters, God bless you. I hope the hate in your heart is resolved, and I hope that you find something better to do than just rain on somebody else's parade. Mic drop. Drian_Lopez asks, what do you like most about your family? Siguro yung sense of humor ng pamilya ko, especially my mom. Akalain nyo guys, komedyante talaga siya. I think you would think, you know, first impression wise na seryoso siyang tao, pero behind closed doors, she's just like one of the funniest people that I know. And I just love how close we are. We're just very open with each other, and I'd consider my parents to be, you know, some of my best friends. What's your biggest obsession? Hands down, One Direction. I will be a Directioner for life. Like, those boys will always have a special place in my heart. Kaiza asks, are you a Potterhead? If yes, who's your favorite character in Harry Potter? How about Fantastic Beasts? Yes, I am a Potterhead. My favorite character, besides the Golden Trio, obviously it's kind of a given that you like Harry, Hermione, Ron. But I think for some reason I really connected to Snape. I think he's just like a tragic kind of character. Like, he's done some pretty messed up things, but I sympathized with him because of the subplot of his unrequited love for Lily. I had a feeling that was genuine, and he loved her so much, and he was willing to do anything for her. And I also like Dobby and Sirius. It's Me Tiffany Zabala asks, do you think magiging official ang Quen? Okay, for those who don't know, Quen is basically a band that we formed on Showtime after being put into a prod together, and that was formed like what, last week? And that basically consists of me, Darren Espanto, Jeremy Glinoga, Inigo Pascual, and Ronnie Alonte. And to answer your question, who knows? Maybe it will be. I mean, we had lots of fun, and it'd be nice to do another prod with those guys. It was a pretty cool prod. It was something different from what we usually do. Crystal Joyce Pamintuan asks, what's your ideal boy? I think, well, number one, I like intelligence. He has to be smart. Not necessarily just academically, but someone I can have a sensible conversation with. But at the same time, I like a guy with a good sense of humor, someone who can make me laugh. Syempre gusto ko kasundo niya yung pamilya ko, my parents. Like, that means a lot to me, that the person I like or the person that I love has a good relationship with my parents. Nice, sweet, caring, thoughtful. Someone na ipaglalaban ako. Oh, diba, ang haba ng hair, ipaglalaban ako. Dapat ganyan. And someone who can stick up for me, definitely. That's important. And cute. Hindi, sa totoo lang, I don't really look at looks too much. Just because, para sa akin, kahit gaano ka kagwapo, pag hindi maganda yung kalooban mo, parang baliwala yun, if that makes any sense. Like, sa mata ko, parang pumapangit siya pag hindi maganda yung personality niya. Hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, that's my ideal guy. And someone, I guess, who can understand the demands of my career and my dreams. Someone supportive. Chrissy May Bulanadi asks, ano po real name mo? Pa-shoutout na rin po. Shoutout to you! My real name is Janelle Amanda Avanzado. Fun fact, Jada is just a nickname that my parents came up with. And no one calls me Janelle though. Yeah, just don't call me Janelle. Jada na lang. But yeah, speaking of names, I've gotten this question a lot. So someone asked, bakit Donald and Judith tawagan niyo ni Darren? Okay, so thing is, yeah, so Darren started this. So he knows that I don't really like it when people get my name wrong. So pang-asar niya lang talaga sa akin nun yung Judith. And basically, nag-iisip ako ng pambato sa kanya pabalik na paano ko kaya siya aasarin. And so I just kind of thought of a name that I didn't really like, which is Donald. No offense to all the Donalds out there, but yeah, so, and it just kind of stuck, and it got out on social media, which is why everyone basically calls me Judith now. Like, minsan guys, lalabas ako, nasa mall ako, tapos bigla na lang may sisigaw, Oy, Judith! Nasaan na si Donald? Yeah. Okay, so moving on to some questions from Twitter. This one's from Kryptonite, and she asks, what's your favorite book? Mahirap yung tanong na yun eh. I just love to read. I'm such a bookworm, so I guess some of my all-time favorite books are particularly, well, yeah, the Harry Potter series, but I think the specific book that I like the most is Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. That one was really good. I'd say The Fault in Our Stars. Me Before You, the Hunger Games series, particularly Hunger Games Catching Fire. That was really good. I think, yeah, those are some that I totally recommend. You should totally read them if you haven't. Autumn Chimmy asks, favorite movie? I Love You. I love you too. And she also asks, what is the song that's stuck in your head at the moment? My favorite movie right now, I think, is A Star Is Born. And that, I think that also answers the other question, like song that's stuck in your head at the moment. I think the whole A Star Is Born soundtrack is stuck in my head at the moment. Like, go and listen to it. You have to. Go on Spotify. The whole soundtrack is gold. And Lady Gaga. She's my queen. You_Nikki asks, lahat ba ng gitara mo may pangalan? Yeah. All of them do. So I have 4 guitars. So the first one, my first guitar is called Susie because the brand is a Suzuki. That one's a nylon. And then the second one was a black one that my dad gave to me as a hand-me-down. And then I have my Taylor, which is the one that I use all the time. And her name is Victoria. And yeah, I just thought, parang pang Reyna kasi yung pangalan. So I decided to go with that. And I have an electric Fender, and that one is called Michonne. And because I was looking for like a really badass name, and what's a better badass name than, you know, one of the most badass characters on The Walking Dead, Michonne. So yeah. For our last question, it's from Antoinette, and she asks, what is your favorite One Direction song? This is like the hardest question ever because I love legit all of their songs. But if you had to make me choose one, I would have to say Little Things. That song just means so much to me, and I just love the message. It's so sweet. Like, Ed Sheeran is such an amazing songwriter, and I just love the message of how it promotes self-love and positivity, and you know, I think it helped me during a hard time, like when, you know, as growing up and you struggle to kind of love yourself, and those boys just made me feel like loved.
Oh, it's you, lay out to.
You never love yourself.
Anyway, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. And make sure to comment down below the next video you want to see me do on my channel. If you want me to collab with anybody, you just let me know. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Miss Brightside, Karen Bordor. Catch it on Dance Network.
Where I let them know, got them all like, whoa.
Okay, found it. Now, can you show me a substitute for jicama?
Those daikons would be a good substitute.
All right, what's next?
Whoa. Break it down to the flow. Let them know, got them all like, whoa.
It's my first time camping. Which one's better?
It's sunny now, but drizzling later, so the light jacket is perfect.
Cool. What about hats?
That bucket hat is much better for shade, and it goes with your jacket.
Great. And for Milo?
A matching hat would be adorable.
Come here, Milo.
Catch me in Miss Brightside, Karen Bordor on Prince Dance Happy Endings on Prince Dance YouTube channel, Dance Network TikTok, Princess Happy Endings Facebook page, and on Dance Network. Woohoo! Okay, see you guys now. Okay.
Welcome back sa aking channel. It's me, Mutya Arkia, and for today, I'm with my sister, and we're gonna do the What's in the Box challenge. Okay, let's go. Oh my... Okay, sabay tayo. Ay! Nawakan. Kalamansi. Ikaw? Oo. Oo nga. Kalamansi. Kalamansing lakta. Tama? Tama? Oh, kalamansi. Okay na? Yes. Nanginginig ako guys. Ikaw muna. Wala! What? Wala pa yan. Hindi pa yan masyadong ano. Ito, parang mabalahin. Ano yun? Oh my God, gumagalaw! Uy! Chill, chill. Okay, relax. Relax. Guys, pinakamadali ako. Oh, dahil na ito. Oh, hindi ka manulit eh. Ito yung sa pagtenga. Yung pag-winter. Tama ba? Ito na yung sabi ko, sabi kasi ni ate mabalahin ko, tapos kinuha ko daw. Ano akala ko tuloy gumagalaw. Oh, yun nga. Yung kulay ko ba to? Yung kulay pula ata yun. Sa bantay nga. Bantay nga. Bantay nga.
Tama.
Oh! Bantay nga. Yan ito siya.
Sige. Maano pa lang.
Okay, sige. Guys, kaya mo to guys. Ano? Pang-display. Oo, tayo eh. Basta yung daraan ni Aga na. Tapang mo guys. Tapang na ako. Hindi, may cover siya. Ito totoo. May cover pa siya. Ah, natanggal. Tinanggal. What? Ilagay mo. Hindi, pang ano lang. Pang display. Basta toy. Toy na lang. Toy.
Kailangan hulaan mo.
Yung purple na parang clown. What? Yun na kasi ako dito. Clown na lang. Yun na.
Final answer?
Wala! Parang malapit na rin naman na kami dun. May salaki yun.
Pero mali pa rin. Okay na.
Wala bang mas malapit? Di ba, Ting? May mute! Huling. Ay, wait!
Makikolo ko ma, kumakin ni, tap 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 tap, quack 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 quack. Makikolo ko ma, kumakin ni, tap 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 tap, quack 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 quack.
Ano, ulit na lang.
Final answer?
Uli!
Okay. Game.
Okay. Look. Look. Ano siya? Parang bubungot. Ano bubungot?
A few moments later.
Oo, parang ano nun?
Ano yun?
Ikaw, ano? Yung
Final
sa
answer.
Nyog. Yung... Oo.
Ano? Final.
Wait lang. Sa akin na. Oo, parang yun. Oo.
Mali. Hindi yan yung bundok.
Nasa ano to
Yung para sa halaman, galing sa bundok. Yung parang siyang lumot.
Ah, lumot na to.
Pang ano talaga, pang orchids. Game.
Okay. Gamay mo yun.
Sabi niyo, wag ka nakakatakot. Hindi kami nilo.
Yan to. Wait lang. Parang buhangin. Parang siya. Teeth? Teeth or feed size? May parang size lang.
Final answer?
Feed sa ibon. Wala siya tali. Hindi siya parang plastic. Ako parang diba? Or wala naman siyang ano, di ba? O bakit tinanggal nila? Parang
Okay, 1.
wait lang!
2.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Ang tagal eh.
Yun na yung mga tea-bag.
Ano yun?
Tea-bag sa tsaka.
I know.
Ano to?
Yeah. Yung nilalagay sa ano? Sa mga pagkain.
Paminsan sa popcorn eh.
Yes, meron.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay na?
Yeah.
Nagpikan ako kanina eh. Alam ako, gusto ha? Buhok ni ate ba? Buhok ko to. Pero hindi ko kanina eh.
Wala. Okay.
Go?
Go.
Okay. Look! Ano yun? Wala, ano to? Ay, parang siya.
Di pa nahawakan ni ate mo.
Bakit nagalaman? Alam ko yun. Ay! Pag Christmas. Yung sinasabi sa Christmas tree? Ako naman to. Ay, oo. Oo. Yung gift? Oo. Tama? Yes! Oh my gosh, ano siya? Oh my God! Wala. Spanish. Ginunting. Spanish.
Ano? Wala lang.
Spanish siya.
Nakita yun.
Okay, fine.
Hawak mo.
Alam ko na to. Yung star. Star? What? Yung makintab. What? Makintab ko to?
Pang-jacks. Bato ng jacks. Okay.
Laki ang kabahan ko ah. Parang...
Wala yan. Kayang-kaya yan.
Uy! Malapit malapit sa akin! What? Ay! Parang ano, flower. Ang gapalambot.
No.
Parang pag-display. Ay! Ito yung manikang may sombrero na keychain. May sombrerong pink. Pink ba yun?
Final answer.
Manikang may sombrerong pink. Maliit na pang keychain na parang teddy bear siya. Naka-skirt. May sombrerong pink.
Okay, tama.
Oo naman, pati yung sombrero na wala. Ha? No, bukuloy ka talaga para kuipis. No.
Grabe.
Si Bella kasi sabi. Ay! Ay! Mute! Mute! Ay! Ay! Mute!
Lato pa man. Lato pa nga lang ayos tayo. Pa nga lang nahawakan.
Bakit parang ipis siya talaga kasi.
Gulat na sila.
What are you afraid of?
Ipis and injection po. What's your biggest fear? Biggest fear? Siyempre yung ano, mawala yung family ko. And next is yung sa enjoy na enjoy ka dyan, no? Ano kayong ginagawa mo sa mukha ko? No, ano kayong ginagawa mo sa mukha? Hamuin ko, ano po? Kasi sabi ni Mela kanina, ipis eh. Sabi ni Mela, ipis.
Bakit ilalagay ko pa ba yung sinabi na niya? Oh.
Oh my God.
A few moments later.
Siyempre, ibang klase naman ilagay na. Pang ano na nga yan eh.
Ano ito nataob-taob na, di ba?
Kasi madaya sa Angelo, hindi pasok yung daliri.
Ay! May nakapakan ako! May nakapakan ako sa loob!
Daya!
Eh, sino siguro yung style ko siguro yun?
Eh, baka yung ano, malalaya po. Sabi namin, hindi kami maglalagay ng ano dyan.
Mama!
A few moments later.
This bright side, Karen Bordor. Catch it on Dance Network.
How do we choose?
I know. Gemini, my skin's dry but sticky from the heat. What here could help?
Tough combo. I see some serums which hydrate without being too heavy.
What did the Korean locals use?
Essence is like a light serum that's popular here.
Which one?
Now this is legit.
Hi! Prince Dance here. Catch new episodes of Prince Dance Happy Endings Summer Edition every Monday on Prince Dance YouTube channel, Dance Network's TikTok, Prince Dance Happy Endings Facebook page, and on Dance Network. See ya!
So ayun Royals, maliligo na po ako kasi may mga tao na po sa baba. And ayun, tara po, maliligo na po ako. Make me crazy. Come to your body. When I see you this time, take a second, give you a night. Na 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 na. Ha ha na 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 na. Ha na 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 na. Da da da. Da 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 da. Da na 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 na. Dapat mong malaman sa puso ko ikaw lamang ang isa ng dapat maisiwan ang kailangan mo na kaya ni nahigilan ni dapat miyan kahigilan easy. Puno ngayon ang dami sa puso ko yun. Kasi wala
Ano ba yung whistle doon yan?
Nasamahan pa kita hanggang sa huli. So yan, let's go. Let's go. Baba na po tayo. Puntahan na po natin sila. Kalma, kalma. Kalma, kalma. Yeah. Let's go. Ready na ako. Ready na ako. Excited na po ako, nakabahan kasi syempre may mga pumunta po na bago. Ayan. Kinakabahan na po ako naman itong mahagupit. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, kailangan pa na to entrance ko sa finale.
It don't matter where we go. It don't matter where we stay tonight. 'Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say. It don't matter how we make things right. 'Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. When I'm with you. When I'm with you, everything will be alright. When I'm with you.
So let's all welcome. Welcome sa aking place. So thank you for coming and thank you for joining us sa ating fan meet with Prince. So let's all welcome Prince Kino.
Hello po, hello po. Magandang umaga po. Umaga, 11:36 na kay JM mo. So maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Sa pagpunta. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Kamusta po kayo? Ano po kayo dito? 10?
Yung iba before 10.
Before 10? Kakagising ko lang po ng before 10. Kamis mo. So, kamusta po kayo? Kumain na po kayo?
Yeah, you can ask them their names and kung saan sila galing.
Okay po, ano po to? Interview! Ate! Dito po tayo mauna. Ano pong name mo?
Cheska po.
Cheska. Tagasan ka po?
Manila.
Manila. Okay, sa Taan ng Manila. Okay, ano po siya?
Malayo
po lang po sa amin. Malapit na po sa amin. Ilang taon na po kayo? 13. 13. Okay. Okay po, ano po pangalan mo, ate?
Kathleen.
Kathleen?
Sure po
Okay,
kayo,
Kathleen, 13. How old are you?
Para mas marami
14! Okay, 13, 14. Mag-host mo pala ako ngayon, okay? Tagasan ka po?
Talk show.
Sa Taan naman nila yun po. Dalawa na. Dalawa na taga Santa Ana. Naghihintay. Naghihintay. Ikaw po ang next, ate.
Kaya po nakatalaga yung maraming job.
Okay, ano po pangalan niyo?
Ayaw, Mina po.
Min. Okay. Ilan taon na po kayo? 14. 13, 14, 14. Okay. Ate. Ate. Ano po pangalan niyo?
Francine.
Francine Diaz. Anis. Ilan taon na po?
19, okay? Oh my God! Madam! Malapakan mo natin, Madam Kim. Malapakan po. Okay po, syempre interview din po natin. Madam Kim, ilang taon na po kayo?
I am ageless.
Yung mga nasa dulo, may interview mo ba yung mga nasa dulo? Mga nasa dulo, may interview mo ba yan? Ano po lumapit eh? Diyon, ilang taon ka na? 10. Ate May.
Hello.
Galing pong Batangas. Ilang hours po biyahe? Okay, 4. Saan po sa Batangas po pala?
Santo Tomas.
Santo Tomas. KGM?
Kumusta?
Ilang taon ka na po? 12.
Santa.
21. 20 po pala, 20. Ate? Ilan po pangalan nyo?
Ilan?
Ano po ba?
Mariel po.
Ariel. Ate, ano pong pangalan nyo?
Yurika.
Yurika.
Hindi na kilala.
Ha? Kilala mo ba siya? Nagkasal po kayo, ate?
San Andres.
Chris, malapit natin po sa amin. Tama po din? Okay po. Hello po, ate! Ano po pangalan nyo? Richie. Wow. Ay mga pangalan. Francine Diaz Chin. Okay. Kuya! Ano po pangalan nyo? Haynes po. Haynes. Kala ko po Prince. Okay, Haynes. Ilang taon na po kayo? 15. Okay po. Ate? Ate, ano pong pangalan niyo? You. Ilang taon na po kayo? Pinikling pangalan mo yun. 15. Kuya. Ano po name mo?
Adrian.
Ilang taon na po?
26.
Okay po. Yung mga nasa ano po, Ate Joanna, ikaw po.
Binanggit mo pa ako, tatanungin mo pa.
Di ko po natatanong yung age.
I think next question.
Wala na pong next question.
Si Moira nandito.
15.
Ay, Moira.
Sa Joseph.
32 ko na eh.
Wala yung pagkaman mo.
Sige po, Ate Joanna.
California. Santa Ana.
Kasayaw yan.
Kumayaw sa gil.
Magaling po, labi-dabi. Ay, Gina.
Hindi ako, bakit?
Same po. Ano pong gagawin natin po ngayon?
Story time.
Story time? Ano po story?
Kakanta si Prince for you guys. And
Kakanta
then,
po.
if you want to do a collab TikTok, you can do a
Go na.
collab TikTok.
Mag-uwit na kayo ngayon.
Ready po yan, no? Nakapang summer talaga po. Nakapang summer pa talaga. Gento. Ay, ano yung chorus na nakalimutan ko? Gento. Sasaya po ba kanta?
Kakanta muna si Prince.
For the summer, let's stay together for a while. Let me know what you've been working since 8. What about you? Selling this stupid art that's not true. I don't wanna do this, I wanna do that, I wanna do something else tonight. Yeah, nothing's really perfect, right? But you gotta do the best you can. But you gotta do this, yeah. Would you be mine for the summer? Let's stay together for a while. Let me know what you'd like. Driving at the sunrise. Yeah. Mine for the summer. Since 8, what about you? Selling this stupid art that's not true. I don't wanna do this, I wanna
mo next.
Kapag mga kamay.
PGL. PGL. Ayan na siya. Ay, tatayo po yun kasi masyado mataas.
Galingan mo, ikaw tulak mo.
Sige po. Tatay rin po. Tatay rin po. Ate kuya, ano po next?
Request daw po.
Kisame? Ay, hindi ko po ano nung buong kanta.
Basilio daw, sabi ni Ken.
Basilio, pero sa kampana.
Ganun po, ganun. Pala'y basang-basa ang dagitab ay damang-dama. Mulan? Why? Sabi po sa'yo kapag kumanta po.
What about you? Selling this stupid art, it's not true. I don't wanna do this, I wanna do that, I wanna do something else tonight. Yeah, nothing's really perfect, right? But you gotta do the best you can. But you gotta do this, yeah. Would you be mine for the summer? Let's stay together for a while. Let me know what you would like.
Ako'y sa'yo at ikay aking lamang. Okay, thank you po. Ay, bulungus na boss ko, ba't ganun?
If you have questions, kay Kino.
Okay po, kung ano pong gusto niyo pong itanong. So wala pong tanong, natanong niyo na po ba lahat?
Ano oras ka pa natulog kagabi?
Ano oras po ako natulog kagabi? 2 AM po. Okay po, ano po yung next tanong? Gusto po yung yung tanong niyo po yung mahirap, gano'n. Yung mag-iisip po.
Simplify the value of X.
Ito po. Ay, go na po. Go na po.
Hindi, tanong nila kung ano raw yung program mo kahapon sa school.
Ayun po, yung nangyari po kahapon sa school. Kinuha po ko sa mga teacher po namin na escort para po sa intrams. So yun po, ang costume po namin nun, golf club. Tapos, yung teacher po nag-decision nun. So nung nag-ramp pa po kami, hindi ko po alam gagawin yung compose kasi hindi po ako nag-compose. So, ginawa ko na lang po. Kung nag-search po ko sa Google kung ano po yung kung paano po paghawak ng golf, kung ano po yung pose, ganun po. Tapos, kapag di po nag-opening po kami ng basketball sa school. And, ayun po, marami pong mga estudyante pong royals din. So yun, thank you po sa kanila. And nakabili po tayo. So thank you po sa lahat ng mga students po na Mariano Marcos Memorial High School. 9.5 po siya.
May naalala ko sa tanong yun Naalala ko sa tanong na yun. Ayoko na maalala.
Mga ganyan pong tanong may sign Mga ganyan pong tanong mayroon pong pinapahiwatig
Go!
Ready na.
Okay.
Ready ba tayo? Okay, wala.
Bilis na! Ang bagal ng photographer.
1, 2, 3. Isa, pawangin ng patay bakit. Bakit kinis ako?
Paano wakin natin?
Say cheese, guys!
Okay, muna. Take.
Say Prince dapat.
Say Prince!
Prince!
Jump scare.
Selfie na.
Mag-selfie ka na! Selfie ka naman. Selfie naman talaga yan.
Nanayaw na sa inyo.
Huwag ka mahiya.
Tapos siya na yung nag-picture.
Naka-selfie na yan. Naka-selfie na yan.
Okay, let's go guys, okay?
Naka-selfie yan.
Prince!
Wala pa.
Sino yun?
What if hindi Prince yung sasabihin?
Okay, say...
Say Jasky.
Uy.
Say Beshi!
Feeling ko video na to eh.
Bilis ka na! Selfie ka! Mag-selfie ka na, bilis!
Salamat sa referee si Emma Cheesecake.
Kakain yung kalahati.
Dancing in your halo.
Catch celebrity vlogs with some celebrities here on Dance Network. Hi! Prince Dance here. Catch new episodes of Prince Dance Happy Endings Summer Edition every Monday on Prince Dance YouTube channel, Dance Network's TikTok, Prince Dance Happy Endings Facebook page, and on Dance Network. See ya!
Stay right there!
Well, let them know, got them all like, whoa.
Now, can you show me where the air filter is? It's in that big black cylinder. Cool. Got it. Thanks.
Well, let them know, got them all like, whoa.
Oh yeah, this is it. Oh, the line is so long.
Let's find something else. Gemini, this article has too many options. What's a good local dessert when it's so hot?
Bingsu. It's a popular shaved ice dessert in Korea.
We're in the mood for something fruity?
Great. Mango bingsu is a favorite.
Nice. Please find us the nearest place.
Miss Brightside, Karen Bordor. Catch it on Dance Network.
You make me feel good, like a melody. You make me feel good. It's alright. You make me feel good, like a melody.
namin sa'yo, ibalik ka na namin doon. Mas mabait daw ako doon sa loob kaysa sa labas. Oo nga.
Guys, they are the Carbonatic! Hello. Hi. Where's female dorm?
Female dito.
Ah, here.
Dito.
Hi.
Isa pa po.
Grabe, diba? Oh my God. Dito tayo. Guys, secret to ah. Secret on daan. Secret to nasa video. Wala lang.
Thank you so much to everyone that have contributed to our donation drive tomorrow, which we will be actually giving all of these to Pasig City Jail detainees. So we have books from Sam. Thank you so much. She's an author. I'm gonna place the link wherein you guys can support her also. Because, ayan, ang dami yung books binigay, pero meron din po siya mga sinulat na napakagandang books. And this is from Daisy naman. These are two assorted na donuts. And ang galing lang kasi because aside from the fact na she's supporting Pasig City Jail and the detainees, she bought from a donation drive also wherein the dad of her friend has cancer. So in order for them to fund his medical expenses, in exchange, bumili po siya ng donuts. So, di ba perfect? She got to help two people at the same time. Or, no, a lot of PDLs and the dad of her friend who's struggling with cancer. Plus, I want to say thank you to Miss Jen who gave this tablet and earphones para sa e-dalaw wherein, you know, detainees can be able to call their families via online. So, klaro na po, hindi na po kakapit sila kasi, well, hindi naman internet yung bigay natin. Pero, it's gonna be clear. It's a nice brand! Yay! Thank you so much! The Carbonatic, as of this moment, nagpapack po sila ng mga loot bags na ibibigay namin there. So, mga 200 plus yun. And then, we're gonna see them tomorrow. I can't wait! Mga pandas ko, sobrang busog na busog po sila sa birthday ni Miyuki. And at the same time, magpapabusog po sila ng mga PDL. So, yee! Ang daming biyaya! Thank you.
Guys, sa sobrang busy ko, wala akong vaccination card, wala akong wallet, wala akong cash. Hindi ko alam talaga kung paano ko gagawin yung araw na to. I only have Gcash and that phone doesn't even have internet. Oh, no! Can you even guys see me? Ayan ang tight guys, so papunta sa Pasig City Jail. May pasalubong? Hindi kasi siya pang two-way eh. Ito na, nandito na tayo. Ayan. Itong babaeng to, first time babalik. Wow! Iiwan na kita doon.
Hindi, wala kayo ito. Sumama sa'yo. Gusto ko sumama, pabalik. Ayoko doon.
Pabalik? Ayun na, ibababa na doon sa bahay.
Ayoko doon.
Direct. Hindi na iikot-ikutin pa. Ayoko. Wala yun, no? Ayoko na doon.
Ayaw na namin sa'yo. Ibalik ka na namin doon.
Mas mabait daw ako doon sa loob kaysa sa labas. Oo nga. Diba? Ako pa yung nakahawak sa vlog ko, diba? Oo. Diba? Sabi niya sa akin, paglabas mo ate, ako yung maghahawak ng camera mo. Lahat. Ang dami mga, ang gagandang mga sinabi. Napapagod kasi ako. So, yung ibig ko sabihin na pumayag naman ako. Paglabas, naku, wala. Sariling sikap, guys.
Huwag po kayo maniwala sa kanya. Sa sobrang...
Sino nakahawak ng phone ko?
Ikaw, phone mo yan eh.
Oo, bakit? Diba ikaw nga yung assign dito?
May pagbaba po namin, malalaman niyo po ako na po wala sa vlog.
Malalaman niyo guys, nasa ibang nagchichikahan na siya sa mga duty, sa mga ibang mga nakulong. Tapos ako maiwanan na naman niya, usual. So we're about to do a big thing and the Karinatics are there. Kumain lang daw ang mga pandas. Tawag ko sa kanila pandas kasi they stay up all night long watching my live streams and supporting me. Today, after we give all these awesome stuff to the detainees, mag-hangout kami together for the first time. Siyempre, hindi ka kasama doon. Kami lang ni Noel. Oh, hindi ka naman Karinatics.
Member ako ng Karinatics. Fans mo rin ako, no?
Paano?
Sa loob pa lang fans mo na ako. Hanggang sa ngayon. Baka akala mo.
Oh no!
Baka maniwala sila sa inyo. Baka maniwala sila sa inyo. Baka sabihin nila, salba-salbahan ito nila. Nagigurong ginasalbahan ito si Karen. Baka mamay isipin. Baka biglang ako yung hunting yan sa labas.
Okay. Ayan. Patrol. Na-miss mo yan?
Hearing! Mag-hearing na po kami. Yan po pinagsasakyan na pag nag-hearing po kami.
Fairness, gumanda na siya, oh.
Yung tipong sasakay ka ng mga 30 minutes, pagdating mo doon, reset po.
Nakakatawa na lang, no? Pero it's so sad. Akala mo may hearing ka kasi madami mga ibang hearings dinaanan. Pero pag time mo, ay, ano na? Lack of time. Ay, okay.
Uwian.
Alright. Or wala. May kulang. Kaya wala.
Si Prosec, wala siya.
Kulang-kulang. So, hindi tuloy. Alright. Sige, let's look for the Karinatics na. Pero,
wala na ako dun sa labas.
outfit. Kilala ka na?
Oo, hindi ko naman masyadong kilala dito eh.
Ay, sikat!
Sikat ka na pala sa loob. Pagkaguluhan ka doon, paglabas mo. Gagapang ka na lang. Pinasok ka doon sa loob ng jail. Sa female doon.
Ay, si Noel! Si Noel!
Baka zombie nagaganon-ganon na.
Sikat pa naman guys si Noel. Kasi siya palagi yung nag-drop off lahat ng mga biyaya.
Meanwhile.
Guys, they are the Karinatics! So, anong gagawin natin dito guys? Actually, naglilibang lang po kami sa jail namin kasi nasa Animal Planet po tayo. Ay, grabe siya! Oh, yes. So, ito yung mga pandas na nagbibigay saya sa mga tao sa loob. So, guys, kami nag-yellow. Oh my God! That's one thing, you cannot wear yellow in your jail kasi they will most likely get there. Oh my God! Oh, yeah. That's true. Yeah. Oh my God, she's so
little later.
Dito tayo. Guys, secret to ah. Secret on daan. Secret na nasa video. Dito tayo. So guys, dun tayo sa ano? Sa secret. Daang malupit. Every time na may dalaw na hindi makapag-high sa tangi nila, dito yung area nila.
Ma-adventure talaga to si Karen eh.
Taas. I gave you something. I sent you something. Pabot. Naintindihan ba nila sinasabi? You spell pabot. Tell kami na, no? Ayaw pabot. Napagalitan lang po kami.
Huwag ka mag-alala, hindi kami first time. Yeah. Siguro mga ilang thousand na pinagalitan siya. Bawal ka makapag-usap, pero bumabalik.
Okay guys, look at this. This is a card, a makeshift card na ginagawa sa loob ng jail. And ang sweet nila, dahil they made me one. It says, to our Karen Morty with love. Aww. Diba? Since walang hallmark doon at walang mga, alam niyo na. So sila, gumagawa sila. Oh, sweet oh. Galing sa mga friendships ko sa loob na nandun pa rin. And they even made me jail food. You guys wanna see? So ito guys yung ano, delicacy sa loob ng ano, kulungan. And celebratory food namin, nachos. Guys, super effort talaga to. Wow! Kasi ang mahal kaya ng ingredients. Or basta, it's just not excess. So, yung pagbibigay nila nito, this is enough or even, you know, kulang pa sa kanila to. Pero they gave me nachos! At kinakain namin ng nachos when we watch movies or kunwari, may magandang nangyari sa kaso ng isang tao. So, nasa-celebrate kami with nachos. Puno siya, oh. Ito yung kakainin namin on the road kasi wala po akong wallet at pera. Sobrang hulas na ako. Ilang hours, ano, less than an hour nga lang tayo dun, di ba? Medyo nasigawan pa. I'm so happy with the Karenatics and thank you so much to the PDLs that gave yung banner, yung food, may chocolate pa. Sunday chocolate. They got me chocolates too. And yeah, they just remembered me. So it's so
Much later.
Thank you. Yes, nakita ko na yung soulmate mo. Gusto mo bang makilala soulmate mo? Wow. Yan naman, single ka ba?
Nasa Star City na po kami. Bumaba na po kami, aalis na po kami agad. Ito na po.
Nag-convoy lang para pumunta kami sa sasakyan. Tapos, dito po ako ng chocolate. Oo, dito po kami mag-hapon. No?
event, ha?
See you guys in the next event. Mwah!
Catch celebrity vlogs with some celebrities here on Dance Network.
How do I stop my new puppy from chewing my stuff?
Young dogs need a lot of toys to chew. Maybe a rope toy?
Yeah, I tried that. He's an 8-month terrier.
Gotcha. Well, young terriers are super energetic. How about a run?
Hi! Princeton's here. Catch new episodes of Princeton's Happy Endings Summer Edition every Monday on Princeton's YouTube channel, Dance Network's TikTok, Princeton's Happy Endings Facebook page, and on Dance Network. See ya!
Hi, my name is Karen Walker and you're watching Dance Network.
Galing.
Nandito yung juice. Tapos nakapatong yung ano. Yung food all in one. Galing ko nung game. Hindi pa familiar. Kung wala po kayo pambayad sa rides. Yeah, so pinaghirapan nyo. Ito yung price.
Thank you. Nakita ko na yung soulmate mo. Gusto mo bang makilala soulmate mo?
Yan naman, single ka ba? Sabi niya Noel, sabi ko, Noel, ang daming tao. Sabi niya, ay hindi, pag sa loob wala na yun. Eh, di ba papasok din sila?
Alright guys, let's go!
Naghihintayin po kami kung sino man nilibre. Para makauna ka sa linya, anong gagawin mo? Pregnant. natin. Magkikira na lang po kami. Namin lang result, mababasa daw sila. Sabi ko, siguradong lulutang naman. Lulutang naman sila, di ba? Sabi nila. Grabe. Nasaunahan ko pa siya ang bigat! Ang bigat! Ano? Basta? Ano? Ay! Sabi ko wala na wala ka! Sigaw mo! Sigaw mo! Nakapipigay ko sa naramdaman ko siya umabagay ko. Oh no! Sigaw na wala eh!
Next ride.
Roller coaster.
Soon after.
And super thirsty na mga pandas ko, mga aeronautics. So let's give them drinks.
Ano daw, bawal?
Fitness lang po sa gusto mo nakasama? Thank you!
A few moments later.
Diba? Siyempre mga adjust po, adjust. Akala ko langaw kami.
Moments later.
Kung wala po kayo pambayad sa rides. Ano po yung walang kabayad-bayad? Hindi nyo kailangan pumunta sa board park. Yan, nabigat ako. Pwede ko lang yung kinukuha mo eh. Yung kaligyan lang. Yung pilpil ko lang kinukuha niya. Tingnan ko lang. Kasi ayaw yung sumabay eh. Okay lang yan. Christmas tree na siya. I'm sure. We're both free sa picture. Tama mo ba ito? Joke. Pagkala natin yung ano. Bagay, girl! Barbor? Asan yung number namin? Number, please. Nagdadasal na po sila. Yan. Next na kami. Malapit na namin malaman ang katotohanan. Ano nga kinain namin? In just a few. Next destination, Tornado. Oh no!
One long, angry line later.
Malamig.
Ano mainit?
Galing.
Dito yung juice. Wow! All in one. Galing ko nung game. Hindi pa familiar.
Several song-filled hours later.
So guys, did we have fun? Yes! The Carnatics, we had so much fun hanging out here on Star City. And then yung last po namin, pumunta kami sa Snow World. Kaya, wow! I'm the one who's only wearing it. Ang cute kasi, and it's pink. Thank you guys. Thank you. I had so much fun. And more to come, more events to come for us. But then, mas madami na tayo, diba? Yes! Wow! Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below! Yay! Thank you guys! So cool! Next time muna kami sa lugar nyo, guys. Mag-comment lang kayo kung kami dapat pumunta. Diba? Parang mag-explore na naman tayo.
Miss Brightside, Karen Bordor. Catch it on Dance Network.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for admin Dog Renee Dominic. Awesome. Yeah, that's close to my birthday.
Yeah, we're September, May.
Yes. Yeah.
Here. Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
You did so well.
Yeah.
You carried the show.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you.
Yes.
I love you. Bye. Thank you for coming, friends.
See you.
See ya.
I'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Can you show me how to make a double?
First, press the filter size button on the left. Next, add beans to the bean hopper.
Whoa, the way I let them know, got them all like, whoa. The way I let them know, got them all like, whoa.
Rise and shine, Milo.
Catch me and Miss Brightside Garden Corridor on Prince Dance Happy Endings. On Prince Dance YouTube channel, Dance Network TikTok, Princess Happy Endings Facebook page, and on Dance Network.
Woohoo! Okay, see you guys next.
Okay. Catch celebrity vlogs with some celebrities here on Dance Network.